Okay, so this is a little bit of an update. I just picked up yesterday a 2007 Chevy Express, and it is in pretty good condition mechanically and pretty good condition internally. The paint is a little funky at the top in certain places, but that's just something that these vans tend to do. So this is a really nice canvas. Everything's already kind of cleared out and cleaned up. So there's no, there was no seats to take out. There's nothing like that. So it's very simple to just jump in. So what I'm planning on doing is building a platform that's maybe like 1.5 feet there. That's big enough for me to sleep in with Max. That underneath I can put a bunch of, the 17 to 27 liter storage bins, so I can put all the stuff from the car, park the car somewhere until I figure out what to do with it, and then I can go on some camping trips now, have a place to sleep, and and it's, I don't have to deal with the tent situation anymore. No worries about the the floor flooding and wetting everything. And then here, this seat, I'm actually going to buy the swivel for it, and then that way I can turn this around and this will become basically my workstation. So right here I'll be able to still have a passenger, which I do actually have today, but then I can also flip it around, and that'll be when I'm stationary, it can be my desk. I can work there while I'm not at a hotel or a campsite picnic table or something like that. So it's going to be really nice having a situation that I don't have to constantly I didn't realize that the fan was on until now. It's going to be really convenient to have a work situation that I don't have to reset up or reconfigure or move around too much. So I will be keeping updates going, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.